So,
my main man Dom.
so the right
Backing up the mobile unit here at the shop. All right, this is what we are dealing with tonight on the left front fender. Gonna have to be a little paintless dent repair, and then we're obviously gonna have to put a little touch-up paint on there. The passenger headlight, apparently whenever said dent got put in, it probably took out the driver's side headlight, so you can see the difference between the passenger headlight and the new one that was done on the driver's side. So hopefully we can get that closer to looking the same tonight.
I'm going dry. We're going to find out.
Tell me about this dent. Do you think we'll be able to do anything with it?
Yeah, we're going to fix it.
I mean, you can't fix that all the way.
I'm going to fix it, and you're going to like it. And if I don't like it and you don't like it, what's the difference? I'm not charging you for it anyway.
I'm excited. I'm a little bit nervous.
So,
Dom, you got a new tool?
I do have a new tool.
Mm-hmm. I've not seen one of those with that crazy end on it.
All right, so, I mean, it's putting some of it.
Looks like it's working already.
Yeah, but can't really.
Yeah. Somebody's finger was over the camera, sorry. Oh. I blame myself.
Ooh, this thing is. Oh man, I knew it. That's what I was concerned with.
What was it?
Well, it popped because it's like stretched. Don't forget, Subaru metal is about as thin as tinfoil. You know what I'm saying? So you're gonna get what you get sometimes with this crap. You know, I can't see the very. Well, I mean, I can see the very center because that's the center of the scratch. But I mean, let's be for real.
I will be very. I'm a little bit surprised because usually it seems like we start with a glue pull.
Yeah.
You went a different direction today.
Well, the reason I didn't glue pull is because the paint is already flaking right here.
And you figured it might rip it off.
It's gonna rip off the paint. So the best thing to do is to get the biggest tool, and to spread the metal out. Like these aren't. They look like high spots, but they're really not.
Dom, we've got Freiburger on the big screen over there. Do you fancy me and you as Freiburger and Dulcich, or are we just more like
yes, East Coast style?
East Coast style, okay.
Oh, but we know nothing about vehicles, nothing about cars. So
we do wing it a lot, don't we?
We make up. Look, we mock, but we don't understand. That's the truth.
Well, that's what's important.
Yes.
All right, everybody. While Dom is working on that, we're going to go over here and check out the progress on the 55. Oh, look. There is no progress on the 55. We've already seen. Well, okay. So you put a little chrome on the front here. It's going to be awesome here before long. So, just in case anybody forgot about it, it's on the way. We're making progress, Tom.
I mean, I'm trying to learn how to use this tool best. You know what I mean?
Is that an Amazon tool again?
No, this is not an Amazon tool. It'd be so particular where you hit with a freaking. Like it's the worst. It's the worst situation possible. You got a hard body line, which hard body line, and that's not really the issue. The issue is that when it got hit, it came this way,
right,
and then it hooked right there and pulled the bottom of this part of the fender up towards this part, right? So it created this smile here. So that's an issue. So you got to blend that in because you can't push it all the way out. Make sure Monkey don't go crazy. I'm going to punch that dog right in its face.
Let me ask you this, all seriousness.
Give it.
Is this a job you would do for a normal person, or you just take...
I would do any job. I don't care what it is.
Okay, well, because, I mean, I look at this and I see there's a job right here that's got a lot of potential not to be, 80 to 100%.
Yeah. I'm going to make this probably about 90%. Right now, it doesn't look like it anything right now, but...
Or would a lot of dent guys just tell them it needs to go to a body shop?
No, a lot of dent guys are grasping. I mean, a lot of them... Look, first of all, there's a lot of other guys out there that are a lot more talented than me. You know what I'm saying? So, but there's Dent guys out there that I've seen them do things. I'm like, I have no way in heck do I know how they did that. You know
Really?
what I mean? Yeah. But
Well,
let
I'd
them
love
show
to meet.
up.
I'd love to meet that guy because I see your work every day. We're not going to be able to fix any dents for chasing you down all dang night. Get back inside.
Percolator.
No, you're the good one, aren't you,
Always a good boy.
buddy? Dom, looks like we're making good progress here on the fender.
Can you see anything moving? Can you be the dent? See the crease? Find the.
Stop talking.
I'm sorry.
Dom, what are you doing there?
I'm using the infamous Poland cellar, polar cellar. Moonshine. Straight from the backwoods of Burlington. A little bit of 2000 with sandpaper.
Dom, you did excellent work on the Subaru tonight.
Thanks, pal. Yeah,
Looks good.
thanks.
Looks good.
Maybe we could take it off some sick jumps.
Maybe no.
Your mom goes to college.
Yeah, your mom goes to college.
Your mom goes to college.